Welcome back to Learning with Kaylee. Today we are going to be reading another story called Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Carter. Don't forget, if you have a copy, run and get it so you can read along with us. There's only one rule in Larry's book. Don't push the button. Seriously, do not even think about it. Even if it does look kind of nice, you must never push the button. Who knows what will happen? Okay, quick. No one is looking. Push the button. I think you better turn to the back flap. Don't push the button. Written and illustrated by Bill Carter. To Mom and Dad for always encouraging me when I was pushing their buttons. Do you know what encouraging means, guys? That's right. Encouragement means when someone's giving you support, hope, and confidence. Some examples are, good job, great job, keep up the good work. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. He's being serious, guys. Don't push that button. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? That's right. I'm thinking that he's probably gonna let us push the button. No, we can't. We mustn't. That means we must not. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Should we do it, guys? No. I pressed it. Ah! No, I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice. Beep, beep. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Beep, 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 beep. Uh-oh. I'm Larry. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Guys, help me shake the book. More harder. More effort. Almost. A little more. More effort to it. Okay, there we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch him, scratch him. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Oh no. Beep, 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 beep. The end. That was a really funny book. Bye guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. See you next Sunday. Write down in the comment section to let us know which book you want us to read next. Don't forget, learn something